In a large warehouse at a construction site, many workers are busy moving around, lifting materials, loading equipment, and managing stock. This space is full of activity, with people coming and going throughout the day. In such a fast moving environment, wearing proper safety gear like helmets and high visibility vests is not just important, it's essential. These items protect workers from injuries and help ensure everyone is visible and safe. However, not all workers are fully compliant. In this scene, some employees are seen wearing both the helmet and vest, some are only wearing one of the two, and some are not wearing either helmet or vest. This creates safety risks that can lead to serious accidents or violations of safety regulations. That's where AI-powered surveillance cameras come in. These advanced systems are placed across the warehouse and are constantly scanning the area. They don't just record video, they actually understand what's happening in real time. The AI technology can recognize people, track their movement, check if they are wearing the correct personal protective equipment or PPE. Using computer vision, the cameras can tell if someone is missing a helmet or not wearing a vest. As soon as the system notices someone without the proper gear, it sends an instant alert to supervisors or the safety team. This allows quick action, whether that means reminding the worker, sending someone to correct the issue, or even stopping access to a high-risk area. The system can also save this information, showing patterns over time, like which areas have the most PPE issues or which teams need more training. It can even connect with entry systems to make sure workers without proper gear can't enter restricted or dangerous zones, such as those with heavy machinery or hazardous materials. Overall, these AI cameras make the warehouse a much safer place. They reduce the need for constant manual checks, cut down on human error, and give site managers a clear view of safety conditions at all times. Most importantly, they help protect workers, ensuring that everyone follows safety rules and lowering the risk of injuries. With a smart surveillance like this, safety becomes part of the everyday work routine, helping create a culture of responsibility and care where every worker's well being is a top priority.